Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we want to present about presentation reflective journal. First of all, my name is Muhammad Syami Iman bin Zakaria. My matric number is 25 DPN 21F1016.
So my name is Muhammad Fidaus bin Lukman and my matric number is 25 DPM 21 F1008.
So my name is Muhammad Arya Kabi Zakaria and my matrix number is 35 DPN 21 F1028.
Okay, so my name is Muhammad Azami bin Kamarun Martin and my matrix number is 25 DPM 21 F1014.
Okay, for the first question, discuss the types of budget that the company can use. For my answer, the answer is flexible budget is the type of budget that can be used by Song Tong manufacturer. For question 2, according to CIMA, a flexible budget is defined as budget which recognizing the difference in behavior between fixed and variable cost in relation to fluctuation in output, turnover, or other variable factors such as number of employees. Second, budget that provided estimated of what cost should be for any level of activity within a specified range of volume. Third, flexible budget will over a range of activities within which the company may operate. And lastly, a detailed plan for controlling overhead costs that is valid in the company's relevant range of activity. For next question, I give to Hazami to explain.
Okay, so for the question 3, the question that want us to discuss about the step are required that want to provide the flexible budget. So for the first step is to determine the output. Okay, so for the step 1, and based on what our answer has prepared, we need to find the output that has been given from the question is 10,500 units. So on the step 2, we need to identify the cost that involved. So the identify the cost that involved that we have been calculate is for the direct material for 90% equals to 7,450 unit. For direct materials, we got 4 ringgit per unit. For direct labor, we got 3 ringgit per unit. For production overhead, 3 ringgit 50 cent per unit. For selling and distribution admin costs, we got 3 ringgit 7 cent per unit. So for the cost behavior, direct materials, we got variable cost. Direct labor, we got variable cost. For the production cost, we got semi-variable cost. And selling distribution admin cost, we got semi-variable cost. So I pass to those.
So the step number 4 is separate the total cost to fixed and variable cost. So in this question, they have two fixed costs, two semi-variable costs. So we need to separate that cost. So we use the high-low method. So for production overhead, the variable cost is 18,900 and the fixed cost for production overhead is 4,175. For selling, distribution, and inflation and cost, uh, for the fixed cost is 7,230 and the variable cost is uh, RM2.30. So the step number 5 is choose the activity level of a basis of planning. So the activity level is 80% and 100%. So 80% is 8,400 unit and 10,500 unit for 100%. So the net profit for 80% is 43,275, and for 100% net profit is 59,445. So next step I pass to Hari.
So the answer for question 5 is first, a management report that compares the actual revenues and costs for a period with the budgeted and cost based on the actual sales volume. Next is it compare the flexible budget with the actual results. And last, this report is prepared at the end of accounting period by management to compare any major difference between budget and actual results. So this is our performance report. So first, we put the actual cost. So it already given in the question. So then we put the budgeted cost that we already do at the flexible budget. And then we determine determine the variance. So for the sale, for the sale is unfavorable. For direct material is unfavorable. For direct labor is favorable. For production overhead, favorable. Selling distribution and admin costs, unfavorable. Contribution margin are favorable, and last, net profit is favorable. So that's all from us. Thank you.